In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Ghibli-style art image in Canva. We'll take a regular photo and give it that dreamy, hand-painted charm you recognize from classic animated films, all using tools built right into Canva. Start by opening Canva in your browser or app. From the home page, choose a design canvas that fits your final use. If you're posting to social media, a square or vertical template works well. For prints or wallpapers, pick a larger size. You can use a blank canvas or a pre-made template. Both work for this process. The key is to give yourself enough space to place and preview your image clearly. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Uploads. This is where you'll bring in the photo you want to transform. Drag and drop your image or use the Upload button. For the best results with a Ghibli-inspired look, choose a clear subject with good lighting and simple backgrounds. Forests, skies, and cozy interiors tend to translate beautifully into a painterly style. Once uploaded, click the image to place it on your canvas and scale it to the size you like. Now, go back to the left sidebar and click Apps. In the search bar, type Animeify. This is Canva's tool that applies an anime-style effect to your image. Click on Animeify to open it. You'll see options to guide the transformation. If you're aiming for a Ghibli vibe, think soft, storybook-like details, gentle colors, warm light, and a peaceful atmosphere. If you want custom instructions, type words or short phrases that describe the look you're after. Keep your prompt simple and visual. Terms like Ghibli style, soft pastel colors, painterly, warm sunlight, or lush greenery can help steer the result. Avoid overly long descriptions. Concise guidance tends to produce cleaner, more consistent output. When you're ready, apply Animeify and wait a moment for the effect to generate. If multiple versions appear or a preview is shown, click on the Animeify image when you're done to place the stylized result onto your canvas. From here, you can reposition the image, compare it with your original, and decide which variation fits your project best. If the look isn't quite right, tweak your prompt with one or two clearer words and run it again. Subtle adjustments often make a big difference. And that's it. You've turned a regular photo into a Ghibli-style art image inside Canva, using Uploads, the Apps panel, and the Animeify effect. Take your time experimenting with prompts and composition, and enjoy crafting that soft, cinematic feel.